Hi everyone, Anna here. In today's video I will show you how to personalize your crochet baby booties. Sometimes one small detail completely changes the feeling of a handmade piece. You can embroider the first letter of a baby's name or their initials, turning simple booties into something truly special. In this video, I will guide you through each step by step clearly and slowly so you can follow along with confidence without rushing. Let's get started. For this decoration, I recommend using a thick polyester felt. We need a small piece. You can also use any sturdy fabric that is suitable for embroidery. Also, you will need a thin needle and regular black sewing thread. If you already have embroidery supplies at home, you can use this as well. So let's begin. To make a knit circle, I am using a coin of a suitable diameter. I place it on the felt and trace around it with a pencil. Next, I draw a letter inside the circle. Then we move on to the embroidery. First, embroider the letter. You can use any stitch you are comfortable with. I am using a basic running stitch. After that, embroider around the circle. And here is the beautiful result we have. Now, carefully cut out the emblem, leaving about a couple of millimeters around the embroidery. If your emblem turn out similar, please give this video a like. I'd really appreciate your feedback. Now use fabric glue to attach the emblem to the side of the sneaker. If you prefer not to use glue, you can sew the emblem on instead. And here is the final result, such as a beautiful detail. Simply repeat the same steps to decorate the second bootie.
Here you can see the finished sneakers together the basic version, the personalized pair with initials, and the classic design with the star. I have a full step-by-step video tutorial that shows how to crochet the base sneakers, as well as a printable PDF pattern with 6 sizes, so you can always keep it close while you work. You'll find the links to the tutorial and the PDF in the description below.